I will just speak on the AIS 140 initiative prevailing in the country because it is going to be a big thing for every telematics player. See, government has announced through Ministry of Road Transport AIS 140 mandate. That means every vehicle which is having a national permit, which are carrying passengers, will be required to be fitted with a very specific device. This device is basically nothing but it is a standardization in terms of what hardware it will require and what protocol it has to communicate. It's a good initiative because tomorrow if government wants that they want to mandate every GPS device to communicate to their platform, they will be getting the data in a prescribed format on their backend. Very good initiative. Ambitions are also there. It is a huge potential and huge market. Yes, when there is a big market, there are certain challenges also. Today, challenges are each state government has to create their own backends, and those backends are in making. B, several state governments are changing the protocol for their particular backend. So manufacturer will have to really change the device firmware depending on the protocol and protocol. Third thing is, while specifications are and protocols are framed by the government, that doesn't define the quality. People are watching and people are seeing that it is a huge market, so they are just coming out with a very mediocre quality product and trying to drop the rates because they feel that this will be only used for mandate. Once the mandate is taken, once the device is fitted, once RTO approves it, neither the end user nor the government is going to monitor and change. This is the wrong perception, but today it's going, and that is why this market has become very competitive. People are only targeting just to acquire the clients. But at RMA Talk, we have taken this business very differently. We believe in one thing: AIS 140 and similar initiatives will stay for years. RMA Talk designed AIS 140 device keeping in mind lot many use cases because RMA Talk is the only company which is in industry from almost 2 decades handling the passenger transportation, goods transportation through fleet management solution and fleet vigil, and they know what are the challenges. So RMA Talk has come out with the AIS 140 device which is really very reliable. Why? Because transporters will be spending on a capex, it will be one-time cost and then renewal. That means device has to give long life, and that long life will in range 2 to 3 years time will really save a lot of money for transporter. If transporter goes for a low cost device, what will happen? On next year, once again, they will have to buy another device because the main device may not be working. Secondly, scalability. Today we are looking at a mandate, but solutions require a lot of scalability. They will be requiring to attach n number of sensors like fuel monitoring, RFID reader, driver state monitoring, whatever it may be. AIS 140 RMA Talk has a complete gamut of scalability. Third thing is, everyone has to see, and transporters and buyers have to see since how long the company is in this industry. Because of this AIS 140 norm, there is a mushrooming of small time players who they are just trying to acquire, capture the customers, but they may not retain their business for a longer time, and then at the time of renewal, the supplier itself will not be there. In this case, RMA Talk is in this industry from 2 decades and have provided the solutions and hardware which have worked more than 6 years. So transporters can really rest assured that the device will work. Next thing is, there are companies in the industry, they are taking approval with one type of device, but when it comes to ground, they are diluting the norm of the device. Once they dilute the norm of the device, tomorrow say any compliance check happens, the buyer will be in trouble. RMA Talk assures that whatever is being supplied is exactly same as what has been approved by the ARAI. Rather, RMA Talk has gone step ahead. Instead of IP65, RMA Talk has provided IP67 type of device, fully water dust proof solution, which is almost a meal grade. So that will also serve a lot of life to the customer. So in terms of pricing, if we see, Today, some transporters are finding that Aryamalta product is little expensive. No, it is not a premium. Rather, this is the right price of the product, because finally it has to serve transporters and the purchaser of the device in terms not only to meet the mandate, but help him to optimize his operation, save his cost, and meet the requirement of the country in time to come. So we are really bullish on our AIS 140 market. As a company, we are not planning to target numbers who they are not sensitive to value, and we will only target value sensitive clients. And we really see very large number and very large business to come through this segment also.